Judge Andrew Napolitano is joining us, senior judicial analyst. Judge Napolitano, good to see you here on the
Good
heels.
morning. I'm a little bleary-eyed from a long night.
Yeah, many of us are.
I went to brush my teeth about 5:20 this morning. When I finished, it was the president.
Yeah. Well, at least you have fresh breath for this segment here and brand new news to react to this morning. We were talking about this with Lieutenant Governor Burt Jones right before you came on from the great state of Georgia. And he talked about the case that Trump faces down in Georgia. But obviously, as you know, there's one with Jack Smith, special counsel in D.C. What does this all mean now moving forward?
We'll start with the Georgia one, and I heard your conversation. It was a great conversation that I think hit the nail on the head on so many different aspects. Donald Trump is one of 16 remaining. Lieutenant Governor Jones was a defendant. Pardon me. The court dismissed the case against him for lack of evidence. Donald Trump is one of 16 defendants remaining in that Georgia case. My guess is that DA Willis, especially in light of her substantial reelection yesterday, will move forward on the case against all of the defendants with the exception of the president. Now, there is no law specifically that says he cannot be tried in state court, but as a practical matter, they can't take him out of the White House and try him while he's the president. So as a practical matter, the case against him either is held in abeyance for 4 years, and the world may look very different in 4 years, or will go away and she'll proceed against the other remaining 15 defendants. The case in New York, he's scheduled to be sentenced 2 days before Thanksgiving. To me, it is inconceivable that that sentence would involve custody of any sort. I would imagine that either the sentencing will be adjourned for 4 years, or the sentencing will just be a simple fine, which he'll pay, wipe his hands of the case, and then it's over with. The two federal cases are very interesting from a jurisprudence point of view. He has said that he will fire Jack Smith within 2 seconds after he takes the oath of office on January 20th. Jack Smith may very well want to preempt that. Merrick Garland, the Attorney General, may want to preempt that by asking the court to dismiss them. I doubt that they will do that. I doubt that they would do that. Joe Biden might want to pardon Donald Trump so those cases go away. But if nobody does anything between now and January 20th, as soon as the new Attorney General is sworn in, whoever that is, that AG will ask the judge in Florida, Aileen Cannon, and the judge in D.C., Sonia Chutkin, to dismiss the two cases.
Wow. The delay plan that we had talked about so many times for Trump's legal team appears to have paid off since he has won the election here. Since you mentioned President Biden and the idea of pardoning here, you mentioned Trump, but we're also awaiting possible sentencing for Hunter Biden, his son. Do we see any action there, Judge?
I'm sure that Joe Biden will pardon Hunter. I mean, look at it from a human point of view. What father wouldn't pardon his own son, no matter how aberrant the son's behavior was? And Joe's political career is over. He really has nothing to do. He can actually go out in an aura of goodwill by pardoning even the people that he has condemned, like some of the January 6 people. But I don't know what his thinking is, but my guess is that he will pardon his son. He might wait till the last minute to do it. Presidents usually do it at the very, very end of their terms.
Information. Truth is freedom. Is Newsmax. It's real news for real people.